Welcome back to Ryder's Fun Facts. Today I'm going to show you about a longhorn. Did you know that a longhorn, these longhorns aren't any ordinary longhorns, they're steers. And every longhorn can become a steer, but they're not born steers. They have to be castrated to become a steer. And these steers go on cattle drives, but they just can't do it oftenly. They have to be trained for this. And their long horns go super long. And
4 to 6 feet for typical.
And for typical times, they grow up to 4 to 6 feet. And the longest longhorn grows to 11 feet, and then where we are is Fort Worth, and they do the cattle drives in the middle of Fort Worth. And come back for more fun facts.